Everyone tries to consume such things which can help in keeping our body warm from inside in cold weather. The first thing in this list which comes to people's mind is egg. As soon as winter starts, people start consuming it in large quantities. These are beneficial for health and can also help in keeping our body warm from inside. But do you know that consuming them in large quantities can also cause harm instead of benefit? If you are also consuming eggs in large quantities, then you should be little careful. Let me know which people should avoid consuming it in large quantities. Many people have digestion problems. In such situation, consuming eggs can be a problem for them. Let me tell you that eggs are heavy and it can take time to digest. In such situation, if you consume more eggs, then doing so can cause problems like gas, indigestion. Along with this, protein is found in eggs which can also harm gut health. In such situation, if you have digestion problem, then you should consume eggs in limited quantity. Increased bad cholesterol in the body can make you victim of many diseases. Increased cholesterol can increase the risk of brain stroke and heart attack. In such situation, it is very important to control bad cholesterol. If you already have a problem of high cholesterol, then you should consume eggs in limited quantities. If you are suffering from heart related disease, then you should consume eggs in limited quantity in your diet. Consuming them in excess can put you pressure on your heart, therefore, consume them in a limited quantity only. Even if you have diarrhea or upset stomach, you should consume eggs with caution. Eggs have a hot nature, due to which consuming them can increase the problem of diarrhea. Many people get allergies due to excessive intake of protein. Such people should also consume eggs in limited quantity. Eggs contain protein, excessive consumption of it can increase allergies. So, I hope you found this video useful. If you do, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe my channel.